Hey guys, you're watching Dope Crafts, and today's video is gonna be different video. Today I'm going to do some calligraphy with this pen, calligraphy pen. So I got this somewhere in my home. So this is how it looks. It has a broad nib. I don't know what it's used of, but I do practice a lot with this pen. This is a broad nib pen, and I'm having two more nibs. These are the nibs. This is the medium sized one, I think. I don't know. This is also like calligraphy type pen nib. Let me just focus. Yeah. So and I'm having a very thin nib also. This is used for writing, I think. So let's start doing some calligraphy. So I have done a lot of practice with this pens. I have used many of the papers. This is the last paper which I did 1 day or 2 days ago, because I'm very busy, that's why I don't have work. So this is the calligraphy which I done, and this is the previous one which I did. Looks very dirty. So firstly what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the ink pot which I brought, and I'm going to fill ink in the ink pot with the help of a syringe so that it will not spill, but it do spill. So let me just do some practice with these pens. Let me do some simple strokes to make the ink flow well. I don't know what happened, but the pen was not working properly. Now, hey guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean paper and I'm going to do some practice by writing some more words. Like, let's first write Dope Crafts. It's our channel name. So guys, while I was writing, the pen was not working properly. I don't know what happened, but I was not able to write properly like before, like how I write. I tried very much trying to write like before, but the pen was not working properly. It was just like turning off. Then I tried a lot, then it started to work a little bit properly. But then the idea came in my mind. I downloaded some pictures from Google Chrome, calligraphy, Gothic calligraphy, and I started to write like it. Copy? Not copy. I tried very much, but then also I was not able to write properly. I tried three pictures, one of Gothic and two were normal calligraphy. One was Gothic calligraphy. Gothic calligraphy turned out to be a little bit good, but the other ones were not good. Then I tried a lot writing some more. Okay. This is the result which I got while writing for many times, and this was the previous result because the pen was not working properly. But still good. I will see you next time in the next video.